Hello, in this video I'm going to show you all backup methods on Samsung Galaxy Tab Active 5 Pro. Okay, to create a backup we need to open up our settings. Once we are here we need to scroll all the way down until we see accounts and backup. Right in here, let me only adjust the brightness a little. And now we can create a backup in the Samsung Cloud. We can backup our data into the Google Drive. We can use also the external storage transfer. When it comes to the option above, transfer data for device setup, basically this option allows us to bring the data into our tab after the setup process or during it. Don't worry, also I have a video on this channel when I'm transferring the files into this tab using the smart switch, so it's in a different video. You can look for it. First let's begin with the Samsung Cloud. Let's click on backup data. If you want to use it, you need to first update your Samsung Cloud, and you also need to be logged into your Samsung account. It is necessary. We need to wait until the Samsung Cloud updates. Alright, it's installed. So now click on backup data. Now in here you need to select what things you want to backup. In my case I want everything except the apps. So now click on backup now. The process will start. In my case it will take long because I didn't select the apps. Okay, we can click on done. And now our backup has been successfully created and it's stored on our Samsung account. And now let's go with the Google Drive. Click on backup data. We need to turn it on right in here. And we also need to sign in into the Google account. So that's what I'm about to do right now. Remember that your backup will be saved on that account that you will log into. So if you want to restore that backup in the future, you'll need to be logged into the same Google account that you have typed right in here. So now I'm about to log in and I'll see you in a second. Okay, once you have logged into your Google account, make sure that under backup details, if you click on photos in videos, that they are enabled, and same thing. I don't want that. And the same thing with other device data, that it's enabled. To create a backup, you also need to have some free storage space. If you don't have enough, you can always delete something to get some storage space. Now, to create a backup, simply hit this green button. Now we need to wait a little bit. Okay, and now you can see that in here a small circle appeared. And it's going slowly to fulfill. Basically, when it disappears, it means that our backup has been successfully created. We also see information down below on the other device data. So I'll see you in a second once it's done. Okay, and now the backup has been successfully created. You can see it right in here on the other device data that it has been successfully made 0 minutes ago, because it was like, 10 seconds ago. But when we see something like that, it means that our backup has been successfully created. And now let's go back and let's use the smart switch this time. Let's use the external storage transfer. And now basically you need to insert your SD card or connect a USB storage device, just like me. I'm about to use the USB. So I need to plug it in. Just like that. Now it will appear in this window. Okay. Now select backup to USB storage in my case. Now we need to wait until it loads, and now we can select what things we want to backup. We can select everything, just calls, contacts and messages, or we can click on custom and manually select the things that we want or don't want to backup. In my case, I will go back and I'll select just calls, contacts and messages. Then click on next, click on OK. Now the process will start. It won't take long in my case. Okay, 100%. It should end any second now. Okay, click on next. All set, click on done. And now our backup has been successfully created. We can unplug the USB. device. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.